Hello friends, this is Akhil Shukla from Bhopal and I am a student of Nitesh Bure sir, and today I will be telling you regarding the Nitesh Bure sir STAAD Pro classes. He is an amazing teacher. He is very passionate. His concepts in these structure designing is crystal clear. He is master in softwares like STAAD Pro, ETABS and many other designing softwares. If you will learn structure designing from him, you will feel very confident. He merges all the concepts of the truss, RCC, steel in a one way and then implement these concepts to the software, and the results of the software can be implemented to the ground. So it's an amazing fusion of the structure designing. You will feel very confident in the structure designing after learning these softwares from him. So please do join his courses. I am associated with him from last 5 years and I had learned everything from him, and my concepts are really crystal clear in all these things. So please do join his courses and you will feel a confidence in the structure designing. Trust me one time, join his courses and you will be the master in the structure designing, and you will feel great when you will become a good structure designer. Thank you.